Well, students, today we are discussing the dictionary that key value pairs among the built-in Python data types is a very versatile type called a dictionary. So, in short, the dictionaries can be defined as are mutable unordered collections with elements in the form of a key value pairs that associates keys to values. Okay, this is the one. All right, so this is the syntax of the dictionary. Dictionary name you can see out here, and the key value pairs also. You can see the curly brackets mark the beginning and the end of the dictionary, and each entry, that is the key value, okay, consists of a pair separated by a colon, the key, and corresponding value is given by writing the colon between them. So this is the key and its corresponding value. The key value pairs are separated by commas, and each key value pair together is known as item. All right, that is the thing. Clear? So we can create a dictionary out here, just an empty dictionary. First of all, I can demonstrate you. So how it looks like, say dict1, I am giving the name, okay, and then it will be open and close curly braces. Okay, this is a dictionary has been created out here. So but there are no key value pairs, so this is actually known as the dictionary, empty dictionary. Okay, so if you say nothing will be, sorry, I'm very sorry, this command is wrong, dict1. Okay, so now you give it in, sorry, dict1, just give dict1 and then press enter. It will show you the empty dictionary out here in this way. Fine. So now in order to create a dictionary, suppose I'm creating a dictionary named teachers. Okay, teachers equals to, say I'm giving out here, say key value pair out here, say say here I'm giving the name, okay, say Raju, okay, Raju, and Raju is taking, suppose, say computer science. Okay, colon will come out here, and then say here I'm giving computer science. All right, closing. Okay, so this one key value pair has been created. Okay, so you can give a string, a key, you can give a number, you can give a tuple, list, everything can be given, and this is the value has been taken out here. And then say I'm giving out here, say Mansi. Okay, Mansi is taking, say English. Okay, say English. Okay, and then say I'm taking here Robin. Robin is taking say, for example, chemistry. Okay, chemistry. Okay, and then say I'm taking out here Prashant. Okay, Prasanth, Prashant, and Prashant is taking here what, maths. Okay, so these are the four key value pairs I am taking out here, maths, and then I'm closing the dictionary. So our dictionary has been completed out here. Okay, so I'm coming to the next out here. So if I want to see the key value pairs and the items of the dictionary, I can just give the name out here and it will be printed. So here the key value pair has been created out here. Raju with computer science, Mansi with English, Robin has chemistry, and Prashant with maths. Okay, that is the thing. Dictionaries are also called associated array or mapping or hashes. Now the term is that what do you mean by the mapping or hashes? Dictionaries are actually the type of mapping. Some mapping type of Python is a mutable type that maps values of one type to arbitrary objects which are known as values. In Python there is currently one standard mapping type, the dictionary. Our dictionary keys must be of immutable types. Okay, but the values are mutable. Dictionary keys are immutable type, but the values are mutable. All right, that is the thing. Sometimes when we are giving like this, say dict3. Okay, dict3, suppose we have given out here like this. Okay, so suppose this one, and then so we are taking out here 2 3. Okay, like this, sorry, 2 3, and then putting colon out here, and then say suppose we are giving out here, say XYZ. Okay, just we have given in this way. Okay, so all the time we cannot take whatever we would like to. Okay, so here what is happening, an error will be generating. Okay, so this is called type error, unhashable type list. Okay, that is the thing. So the above error, this error actually unhashable type always means that you have tried to assign a key with mutable type. Okay, and Python dictionaries do not allow this. So this is actually a mutable type, but you have allowed it as a key, which is not possible because the dictionary keys are always immutable. Okay, so now let us do one program by using dictionary. Okay, let us see it how these things can be done. Creating a dictionary out here. Okay, just of all, what is this? Creating a dictionary. Okay, dictionary. Dictionary to read roll numbers and marks of 4 students. Okay, marks of how many students? 4 students. Okay, this is just the remark I have given. All right, so I'm taking two lists over here, two dictionary which are empty in nature. So Rn equals to how much? Rn equals to this basis. This is actually the declaration of an empty list. Okay, so afterwards we will associate this one in the dictionary. Okay, MKS. Okay, now what? For a in range. Okay, for a in range, what? for A in range, we will give how many? We will take 5 records, okay, sorry, 4 records. That means the range function will start from 0 and it will stop at 3. That means 0, 1, 2, 3 it will be, okay. So now the thing is that, okay, so how I will do? So I'm giving out here R comma M, okay, so 2 values are there. So now I am giving eval, okay, eval command, and just I'm putting out here input, okay, enter roll number, okay, okay, input enter roll number or marks, okay, enter roll number, roll no, okay, comma, sorry, full stop, I am sorry, okay. So then you are giving marks out here also, marks and then colon, okay, all together I am just giving out here, and then closing this one, okay. So eval has been closed, okay. So now what I will do, I will use the append command, which we have done in the list also. Append what? Append R, okay, R as the marks, okay, and then we will just take out here what? MKS. MK is for what? So not RNO, it will be RN, okay. So and MKS dot append here, okay, append, we are appending a key value pair over here, all right. So we are just appending out here what? M, all right. So now these two things have been opened. Now so we are forming the dictionary out here. What? Now we have said D, okay, D equals to what? RNO 0, here like this we have to give the bracket RN, then we are putting out here 0, okay, and then colon, okay, MKS 0 also, MKS and then say 0, okay. So this is one key has been formed, okay. Now say other keys are also there. I am just copying this one in order to save the time for typing. So that is the thing. So I am just giving out here and just change this one as 1 over here, and then I will give here as 1, all right, and then say comma, comma. So what next, what should I give out here? Another one, say 2 out here, okay, 2 out here and 3 also as well, 2 out here and then say 2 and then say out here, so 2 and just put a comma over here and then give out here, this is the number 3, all right. So that is very correct, okay. So that is the thing. So if you want, you can enter the values here R and M separately also, and then close this one down, okay. So now what? Okay, print, so created dictionary, okay, dictionary TIO dictionary created, okay, created, okay, just give message out here and then just give print D, okay. So then you will see that the dictionary will be created. Now so see, I am just executing this module after saving, okay. So but the thing is that one thing that you must know is that keys of a dictionary must be of immutable types, okay. It is immutable types, again and again I am saying, okay, such as a Python string, a number, a tuple, a list, or anything can be. Otherwise what will happen? The type error will come, because if you are putting anything out of that, okay, that is the thing, okay. Creation of dictionary, I am giving the name, all right, and then I am saving this one over here, okay. So now saving this one, let's see. So I am very sorry, the dictionary spelling is wrong, CREATED, created it will be. Anyway, we'll just change it, check it out, okay. So that is the thing. So now let us see that how this is to be done, okay, how the output to come, how to enter and all that you can see easily, okay. So here I will enter, so what I will just enter, then say 56, all right. So I am entering for the 2, okay, 34, okay. So I am entering the 3, say 78, okay, and entering the 4 comma 55, okay. So this has been done, okay. So dictionary created and this has been over here, okay. So 1 colon 56, 2 colon 34, 3 colon 78. So key value pair has been created in combination numeric, okay. This is actually the numeric. Now the thing, students, okay, suppose say what is the name of the dictionary, just I'd like to see once, okay. So then we will create it once more, we will see it once more, dictionary. So I have to check the spelling out here, created, fine. So now let us run once, okay. So the name of the dictionary is D, okay. So run module, okay. So that is the thing. So here if you want to see the keys and values and items, you can see it separately. How? Let it execute first, then I am showing you how this thing to be done, okay. So this is just a practical practical experimentation over here. So I am giving 56, 2 I am giving out 89, so 3 I am giving out here 55, and so 4 I am giving out here, 5 you can give as usual 67. So these are the things. So now what? D dot keys if you are giving, then what will happen out here? Bracket open quotes. See, a set like object providing a view on these keys means dictionary keys will be displayed, fine. So it is showing you that these 4 are the keys of the dictionary. Now you see, students, D keys, then d dot values, okay, values, okay, just put one open close bracket. What does it do? All at a time it will come. So here we are in interactive mode. So d dot values is giving you an object providing a view on these values. Fine. So you press enter, it will show you the other 4 values, okay. And if you want to see the students that items, okay, then you give just this one items, then it will show you both the things together as set like object providing a view on these items, okay. That is the thing. That means what? Dictionary items. Fine. So now you create, so dictionary items are also being shown, okay, in the tuple form. Okay, so these are the elements of the dictionary. What are the elements? Keys, values, and items. And how the items will be formed of? Items will be formed of by using a key value pair. All right, that's what the thing. So in this way you will be able to create the dictionary. All right, so that is the thing. So this is an interactive creation of the dictionary. However, you can initialize it beforehand, and you can also go with that. Okay, that is the thing. Now suppose one very good example I am showing you out here. So I am just running the Python shell out here. Okay, clear. So now you see a very easy execution and dictionary and key. While accessing elements from a dictionary, you need the key. And while in list the elements are accessed through their index, in dictionaries the elements are accessed through the keys defined in the key value pairs as per the syntax. What is the syntax? Dictionary name and the keys. All right, that is the thing. Suppose I am giving out here teachers, okay, teachers, and then say previously these particular things to be created. Okay, so what is there? Okay, so first of all I am creating a dictionary out here, teachers, okay, teachers. Then say I am giving out here what, say for example, say Raju is teaching what? Raju is teaching out here, sorry, key value pair, computer science, okay, computer, okay, computer science, okay, that is the thing. Okay, now say what? Say Subhash is teaching, say chemistry, okay, chemistry, okay, and say Suman is teaching out here what? Suman is teaching out here, say English, okay, English, English. Fine. So this dictionary has been created. Fine. So teachers. So you are getting out here. So teachers, if you give in this way, it will be appearing. Fine. So now you see the thing is that, okay, we are accessing elements from a dictionary. Fine. So now what we will give? So I am giving out here teachers. Okay, teachers. I am giving out here what? ERS, teachers, and then say I am giving out here say Subhash, Subhash, Subhash. Okay, Subhash. Okay, so what will happen out here? You see, just Subhash. Okay, so Subhash is teaching chemistry. This is just like a query. Now say if you are giving in this way print, okay, print, okay, then say here you are giving Subhash, okay, Subhash teachers, okay, Subhash teachers, okay, then you are giving out here teachers and CHERS teachers, and then say you are giving out here Subhash, okay, SUBHASH. So okay, then what will happen? You see out here, students. Okay, so this one just I'm just closing this. Sorry, I'm just closing this bracket. Okay, out here. So then what is coming? Sorry, spelling is wrong. Teachers. It will be teachers actually. Okay, so I'm doing it once again. Okay, so that the execution actually to be done. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so here I am giving Subhash teachers, CHES, okay, teachers dictionary. So the Subhash teaches what? Chemistry. So because chemistry is actually been accessed as a value pair. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way, what will happen? A dictionary can be created, and you can also create its create a particular key value, a particular value by using its key. So while accessing elements from a dictionary, you need the key. Remember this one. While in list, the elements are accessed through their index in dictionaries. The elements are accessed through the keys defined in the key value pair. So what is the syntax? You have to use the dictionary and the key out here. Okay, that is the thing. Suppose say example D, I am giving out here 1 out here. Then you see what is happening. So it is giving you the what error? D is not defined. So if any undefined dictionary you are using, in that case this one will come. Okay, so now suppose I am giving out here teachers, and then I am giving out here 1. Okay, so what is happening? So it is giving out here key error out here. Why? This 1 does not exist. Okay, 1 does not exist. So we are attempting to access a key that does not exist. That cause an error. What kind of error? It will it will have an error of what? It will have an error, key error. But if I am giving like this teachers, okay, CHERS teachers, and then I am giving out here say Schumann, okay, Schumann, okay, I'm closing it, and then say I'm closing this one, teacher Schumann, so English will come. Now see teachers, okay, and then say I'm giving out here Schumann. I want to change the subject now. All right, so what will you do? Equals to, say I'm giving out here say say maths, okay, THS maths, okay, so I'm pressing enter. Okay, now you see the dictionary, what is happening. Sorry, this is name is wrong, CHERS, it will be teachers. You see Schumann has come with maths, but previously Schumann was with English, okay, so it was coming out here English. So that proves that the values are of mutable type, whereas the keys are of immutable type. Okay, students, so this much practical activity today I have shown you. Okay, so and one program also we have done out here, that how to create the dictionary, okay, by taking the value as input, okay, from the user. Okay, so you must do its practical implementation, and you check it out also with some other set of values and other set of records. Okay, the same thing whatever I have shown you. Okay, so all right, students, thank you very much. In my next video, I will come up with some more tutorial lessons on dictionary. Okay, so and that one also you have to do the practical implementation. Thank you very much.